in my arms, or let me hold ya. I'll never let you go again like I did or used to say I would